Good morning, good morning, good morning. And as you can see, it's still dark outside here. And you can see this behind me with presents already under the Christmas tree. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not entirely happy about this. I don't like Christmas. And I came home from my friend's house and saw this up behind me. Makes me cross. I am like the Grinch. And speaking of the Grinch, who's going to come to Christmas bedtime stories next week? If you are, be sure to have that story read out by me. And lots of other amazing stories are going to be read out. So you need to come in your PJs with your hot chocolate and watch our Zoom bedtime stories. But I'll remind you of that closer to the time. Let's talk about today's learning and how amazing some of you did in your Nepali work today. And I love seeing your science experiments. I want to just show you quickly, this is the kind of thing that should have happened to yours. Okay, so let me find a really good example. When we mix different liquids, because they have different densities, what happens is they should have sat on top of each other like this. So this is a good example where there's oil and water, and you can see that it's just sitting on top. Now, I wonder if you noticed that when you did yours today. Did you see that there was layers and layers inside? And that's because each liquid has a different density. So some sit on top, whereas others are heavier and they sink to the bottom. And that's what today's experiment should have done for you. Anyway, moving on. Let's check Seesaw. We have explanation text. Please watch my video. Please come and see me in the drop-in session, regardless of whether you've done it or not, because I will be there to help you. You have PSHE, you have mental maths, and look at these possibilities. You got your word of the day, which some of you are fantastic at doing. You also can play Prodigy, but this is probably my favorite. Make yourself a mask using materials that you can find in your home. It needs to cover your mouth and your nose, as well as has loops for your ears. And then I said, if you want another challenge, you could research and make your own Egyptian headdress. So the choice is yours. That'd be cool if you started planning that. So 4 responsibilities, 3 really good possibilities, plus some Zoom sessions. So who should be seeing who today? Let's have a look. I think today is Thursday, and I think the people that know that they have Thursday Zooms probably don't need me to remind them anymore. But let's take a look just to be on the safe side. So, it's going funny. What's happening? Stop. Oh no, it's going crazy. Look, it just keeps moving. Okay, is it going to stop moving? Great. There is Mitsuki Chavika. You're at 9 o'clock, 9:30. Miss Shrestha's Phonics, she's loving that in a minute. You guys are being so good with your sounds. There is a maths workshop. Please go to that if you struggled with Monday's maths, because we're going to look at 2-step word problems. Miss Shrestha's going to be there to help you. Avadai, go see her at 1 o'clock. My phonics group had a really good session today. Let's keep it up. Kiona, I'll see you at 1:30. Naomi at 2, and then I'll be online at 2:30 to help you. Even if you finished, come and see me and I can help you with your English work. Awesome. Have a really good day, and I will catch up with you later on. Who likes Christmas, by the way? Am I the only one that's being grumpy? Am I the only Grinch? Or do you think that I should really enjoy Christmas and see how pretty things look? Let me know in a comment.